Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know down below, what is your number one cryptocurrency pick going into 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, after the incredible week that we've had in cryptocurrency, we are now starting to see a slight correction, but do not fear, we have seen this multiple times throughout this year and it has always recovered. Cryptocurrency is just getting warmed up. We have seen some very key levels broken over the past few weeks, so going into 2021, things are looking incredibly bright. Remember, these are some very good buying opportunities and patience is what will make you a winner in this space. Bitcoin is at 22,793, Ethereum is at 611, XRP is at 52 cents, Litecoin is at $106, Chainlink is at $12.47, Polkadot is at $4.96, and Stellar is at 16 cents. But in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Chainlink, so let's jump into the first article. And this article says, HealthTrends.AI rolls out a Chainlink Oracle node to offer COVID-19 data. This launch seeks to inspire the development of smart contracts in various healthcare fields. The Chainlink Oracle node will cryptographically sign all COVID-19 data to ensure authenticity. Per HealthTrends.AI, legacy data sources cannot source and disseminate data effectively. HealthTrends.AI, a source for healthcare data, is planning to provide state-certified COVID-19 data through various blockchain networks. The firm unveiled this news via an official announcement on its website on December 16th, noting that it aims to launch a Chainlink Oracle node which will allow to share COVID-19 data through the coronavirus API. In doing so, the company hopes to inspire the creation of a broad range of smart contract applications in varying healthcare fields, including life, P&C, and healthcare insurance, among others. According to the announcement, HealthTrends.AI also seeks to illustrate how traditional data providers can integrate oracles to work in synergy with blockchain-based systems and deliver real-world value. Per the company, its Chainlink Oracle node will also cryptographically sign all data. In doing so, the firm will ensure that all applications depending on it know it's valid and it came from a coronavirus API directly. It will get a safe way to develop database business processes which chain react swiftly to COVID-19 related health issues. And it says down here, using the blockchain to turn public health data into actionable information. According to HealthTrends.AI, its mission is to help organizations turn public health data into actionable information. The company takes pride in using legally verified public health data because it's compliant and dependable when it comes to completing key business decisions. Although many governmental and non-governmental organizations offer public health data, HealthTrends.AI claims that the COVID-19 pandemic has exposed flaws in many traditional data outlets. These flaws have unveiled that the data outlets are incapable of gathering and distributing data on a scale that can spur the exchange of real economic value. However, the firm alleges that unlike other coronavirus data sources, which get data from news human sources, its coronavirus API offers a record of data from US government websites. Increasing adoption of Chainlink oracles. This news comes as multiple organizations in different fields continue teaming up with Chainlink to better their operations. This month, the Orion Protocol, a decentralized liquidity aggregator, partnered with Chainlink to provide real-time data from the crypto market to Chainlink oracles in a bid to enhance price discovery. Apart from this, Doc, a blockchain-based platform that offers businesses and developers a solution for creating and managing digital credentials, also teamed up with Chainlink. The deal involved integrating Chainlink price feeds to let issuers price identity services on the Dot network in US dollars. So overall, even though the market is having a slight correction at the moment, things are looking incredibly bright for cryptocurrency. We have seen Chainlink and the rest of the crypto market grow an unbelievable amount this year, and it's not going to slow down anytime soon. We are starting to see some seriously big players get into this space, and this is what we have been waiting for. Considering Chainlink has had an incredible year this year, I want to know down below, what price do you think Chainlink could be by the end of 2021? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says, how is the accumulation in Chainlink's market holding up? And it says down here, the market is hot with crypto's prices going through the roof, with hardly any altcoins having a very rough time in the market recently. Chainlink's native token Link has also boomed with growth despite its inconsistencies. In fact, Link was returning 667% to investors year to date. Although the price of the digital asset seems to be sideways at this present time, the Chainlink network has had an impressive year. A few observations can be made from above. For starters, there was a peak witnessed in the middle of the DeFi speculative summer. When the sell side of the market was checked out, a similar trend was visible. The The selling has been quite stable with no major dips, however there has been a slight increase with the selling behaviour lately due to the latest price hike. The Chainlink network has also seen a significant concentration of wealth, as per data 90% of the supply is being held by 0.08% of all wallets. This is interesting since the value was close to 0.3% until earlier this year. The high whale accumulation, although non-ideal for Link, turned out to be a deception of traders' trust in the market, something that did reap them of grand profits. However, at present time, the value of Link has begun to break down, with the coin losing almost 7% of its value in the last 18 days, a development that, once again, was at the time when BTC was topping. Nevertheless, the popularity of Chainlink's oracles among DeFi protocols might just keep the project afloat. So overall, if you have been following this channel a while, you will know how bullish I've been on Chainlink throughout this whole year. I personally think nothing is going to change going into 2021 and the rest of the future. Chainlink's price is already 10x and we have still so much more to come. I personally think that Chainlink has an incredible future and we are just getting warmed up. This is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at price analysis, and this one says that Chainlink integrated as recommended oracle on Binance Smart Chain. Quick take, Binance Smart Chain has successfully integrated Chainlink decentralized oracle network on its mainnet as its recommended oracle solution. Binance Smart Chain can now support an ecosystem of externally connected DeFi applications. Chainlink's price feeds and decentralized oracle network is at the core of DeFi and can prevent flash loan exploits. The team at Binance has announced that they have successfully integrated Chainlink decentralized oracle network on the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. This in turn means that Chainlink's oracle network is now available for all use by smart contracts built in the Binance Smart Chain. Furthermore, the integration allows Chainlink oracles to be accessible on the Binance Smart Chain without dependencies from Ethereum. By integrating Chainlink, Binance Smart Chain can now support a robust ecosystem of externally connected DeFi applications, as well as a numerous of other smart contract verticals such as gaming, insurance and supply chain management. Chainlink oracles are accessible on Binance Smart Chain without any dependencies on Ethereum. Chainlink's oracle network and price feeds can prevent DeFi flash loans. Binance Smart Chain has already hosted several of Chainlink's price feeds, which allow developers to integrate them into numerous dApps on BSC. These price feeds are currently being used to maximize on-chain liquidity pools for low slippage during token swaps. Furthermore, Chainlink price feeds have recently been integrated by several DeFi protocols to prevent flash loans. The most recent projects to integrate these price feeds include EasyFi, Curve Finance and Value DeFi. In a recent report, the team at Chainlink explained how flash loans can be avoided by using secure price oracles to offer low slippage swaps via automated market makers. Each Chainlink price feed is secured by a decentralized network of Sybil-resistant oracle node operators run by leading security and blockchain DevOps teams. The oracle nodes source price data from multiple off-chain data aggregators, meaning each price point has strong volume, adjusted market coverage reflective of all trading environments. All nodes' responses are then aggregated to form a single price update, further enhancing the data's availability and resistance to manipulation from any one node or data source. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at price analysis, and this one says Link broke out of a descending channel and touched the peak of the channel at 14.52 cents before facing some selling pressure that halted the price at 13.46 cents for a few days. In the said time period, the awesome oscillator registered a bearish twin peak formation and even crossed under the neutral line. This signaled rising short-term bearishness, one that could see Link revisit 12.65 cent support level. Link could retest the $13.46 as resistance before moving south once more. $13.20 is the midpoint between $14.52 and $11.90 levels that Link has tested multiple times over the past 3 weeks. A drop under this midpoint would signal a growing bearishness. And if I show you this chart here, this is what I personally think. For Chainlink to be in a bearish zone, we would have to fall below $10, even though we are still up a significant amount throughout the start of the year. As you can see here in October, we did hit below those levels, but it did get brought up very quickly. I think for us to be in a neutral zone, anything between $10 and $12 is neutral, purely because the market looks very strong going into these areas, and it can be a very good buying opportunity going into the future. And I personally think a bullish scenario for Chainlink, anything above $13 or $16 is very bullish for the future of Chainlink. We have seen these prices hit before, and it does look like we can see these prices easily hit going into 2021. The future of Chainlink is incredibly bright. It has earned so much respect over the past year. It is becoming one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the market at an accelerating rate. A lot of people think it is too late to buy Chainlink, but I strongly disagree. I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Where do you think Chainlink's future is headed? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have 2 memberships at the moment. We have the Loyal Supporter membership, where you can support me making more videos for you guys. and you'll be entered into monthly giveaways. And we also have here the Diamond membership, where if you need any help at all with your cryptocurrency, whether you're new, just getting started, or you're struggling, I can help you to the best of my ability that you need, as well as 24/7 support and a personal thank you on my YouTube channel. Our aim is to try and build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash that 300 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.